Okay guys, I want to show you if you're trying to do a headliner for a CLS 550. There's no videos out, so I'm going to create this as I go. I took the door handles off, everything off, and what you'll have to do to get this middle panel off, there's 3 hooks here. There's one there, there's one there. I removed them so that they don't fall. You unhook them. There's more down here, one there, one there, one there. There's a bolt in here, right there, that you'll have to loosen. So you can move this up, this panel thing up, and you'll access it. You'll loosen that. I think it's a size 17. Once you loosen that, this will become loose. You'll have to obviously take off the trim. Once you remove the trim, you'll see these. There are 2. Come to the front, same thing. Remove the trim here, and then you'll see there, clip there, and then up here, clip there, and a clip there. Once you do that, you got to move the seat all the way forward, and I had to raise it, and then I was able to. It's one piece. It's not like separate. You can't take that off, so it's all one piece. Then I was able to pry it on the bottom and take it off. There's 2 hooks at the top, so you don't want to just pull it. It has to come down and out because of these 2 hooks at the top. Alright, that's panel B, CLS 550 Mercedes. I have a 2011. I'll show more videos as I go. Okay guys, now we need to remove this puller. You just pull it, it pops out. Pull it down. Just pull it out softly. There's a clip there. There's more clips on the driver's side. Do the same thing there. Alright, that's how you remove the side pillar. CLS. You just kind of pull it down towards the steering wheel. Same thing on the opposite side. Alright, and you'll see that exposed when you do that. Once you do that, you can go ahead and just pull the corner down, and the headliner should start to fall. Alright, so I have this much done so far. I took out the center console already. There are videos on how to do that already. Once you take that out and remove all the screws, this will just be hanging here. You'll have to take the side pillars off to get the whole front to come down. Alright, and then obviously take it out the sides. Alright, I already made a video for how to remove these. I'll make another one. I'm getting ready to take this one off for video 3, CLS 550. Okay, for the CLS 550, to get these back panels out, you just kind of pull on them and then kind of slide down towards you. You can see here, these hooks here are on the edge of this board, so you can't just pull it. You got to make sure you clear these hooks, and then it'll just slide out to you. I have my headliner falling down, so forgive me. Alright, and then that'll be exposed. Now the headliner is just ready to come out on this side. I'll do the same thing on that side. So, I just got see that hook there? I want to clear that. There's another one. Back there. I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna have to. Alright, I got a little bit more. So just gonna. There we go. Got it. See, I had to clear this, and this has to clear the edge here, because you don't want to bend this all up trying to get it out. So we got both sides out, so this is ready to come down. Now, I'll show you. Before you can do that, you have to take this this little strip off of here. And you're gonna have to peel that off. Okay. Just sit that down somewhere. And then that'll expose this part. Hangs on top of there like that. Once you take that strip off, you can kind of lift this up over this. There's a hook on here that hooks over this, and it'll just fall down. So make sure you take that strip off, or not, you won't be able to get this off. Alright, I'll create another video now. This is video 3. Mercedes CLS 550 headliner. I got all corners out. I didn't even take pillar B off on the other side. And it looks like the headliner's coming out, so you may not even have to remove both of them. Because the headliner, yeah. So really just one. You only have to remove one pillar. The headliner's it's loose, it's done. Now I have to figure out how to get it out. The headliner loose and ready to come out. So we're going to figure out if we're going to go through the front. I'm going to come through the front door. Okay, Mercedes CLS 550 headliner is down. You see this lip right here? Okay, this is very important. The center, it hooks into there. There's a slot opening. So you'll have to slide the headliner forward once you're ready. If you can't just push down on it, because you don't want to break this lip, because that's how it's secure when you put it back in. Very important. All right. Okay, guys. Mercedes CLS 550 headliner. This is video 4, I believe. Now look, to remove the headliner out on the CLS, they run the cables here and they come up and they run along the top of the headliner. Alright, and so you cannot, they don't detach anywhere. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to remove it from, they're just held on by glue. These 3 wires, and they run up to the center console. So these hook under here and drop down. So you're gonna have to remove these 3 and take them off. All right, and to take the headliner out. Okay, and then you can just, I guess when you go to install the headliner back in, you'll have to glue these back on. That'll have to be part of your process. All right, so just a heads up, be prepared for that. This is not the final video, obviously, because I have to do that now. And then I'll make a final video taking the headliner out. Okay, so to get these off, I'm going to have to, I mean, there's like an adhesive, so you can get an adhesive remover if you feel as though. I'm just going to kind of pry at it. See if I can get it loose. You don't want to rush, because you don't want to damage the wires. Obviously, they have to go back, so you don't want to damage the headliner. Once you get them off, they're fairly, it's just, these are the, just the original headliner, so it's never been removed. So you can see that there. I'll just do that all the way up. Just remember how you have it ordered on this end, so when you put it back, it'll be easy to reconnect everything. Once you get it wide open, you just pull. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to use this tool to make sure it's nice and neat. Okay, so I got it loose. Once you pull it off, it's just pretty simple. Just kind of dangs. So you just move it out the way, and problem solved. All right, so I'll just hang that here. And now headliner is fully detached. And I'm fully ready to come out. All right, CLS 550. I'm coming through the back door with it. Looks like it will fit without having to remove the windshield. All right, so I'm almost done getting the headliner out. Just wanted to let you guys know that you can get it out without removing the front or back windshield. I'm going through the back door. You will have to bend it up a little bit and, you know, wedge your way out, but no major creases or anything. The headboard is kind of meant to be flexible like that. So far so good. Almost out. All right, guys, this is last video. Should be Mercedes CLS 550 headliner replacement. Taking it out. I got it out the back door. It was the easiest for me. Headliner is still in good condition. A few wrinkles here and there, but should come together pretty good. So headliner is out. And we can lay that down. All to see. No tears or any imperfections there. A little crease there, but that'll be fine once it's mounted back up. Add some strengthen that. Set. Boom. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and this was taken out without having to remove that other B panel. Now, obviously, if you're going to reupholster that, you're going to have to take it out. So, I'm reupholstering it, so I have to take it out. But you don't have to, if you're not changing it, and you're just taking the headliner out, just take one side out, and you should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, follow me. Also follow me on Planet Elohim, YouTube. I go into other teachings as well. Shalom.